Hello, beautiful artists. So I have something really exciting for this Saturday, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Finally, after all the work we all put in, I get to launch my subscription boxes, and I'm so excited to show you. I'm actually this Saturday going to open them and show you a few of them. By the way, this is the first box. Look at how big it is. The first one is a little larger. You're gonna get a lot of extra goodies in there. I want to tell you so much, but I can't yet. But this Saturday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'll be live with Craftamo. We'll take orders. We're going to open up for orders. And who knows, they might even have some surprise discounts. I'm not sure yet. But we're gonna open it and we will launch for 30 days and then we will close and go ahead and start putting them into production. But here's one of my favorite ones. All in all, you guys, you are gonna get 24 brushes, custom brushes that I actually design. You're going to get 48 paints, and I will tell you this, there's some sparkle in there and some other extra fun goodies. So I can't wait to share all these with you and open them up, show you a little bit of what's inside, from tracing paper. I mean, you get everything, tracing paper, the drawings, the brushes, the pigment, and they're wrapped beautifully. So I hope you'll join me and Craftamo this Saturday, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I'm just so excited. This was such a passion project, so long in the making, and you guys were such a huge support in that. So I can't wait to share with you, and join us this Saturday. All right, I will see you guys all soon. Happy painting.